Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jance, and I am here because, as many of you know, I have been working in retail for a very, very long time, and I have been talking for a while about doing a series of either blog posts or videos of something of that sort that would provide you guys with tips about everything retail related. So, if you want to know how to get a job in retail, how to keep a job in retail, how to get a job in retail management, if you're interested in tips for buying merchandise, going on buying trips, visual merchandising tips, staffing, hiring, firing, anything that is in regards to retail. I told you guys that I would share those things with you. So here I am today, and I want to start this off with a video series, and each video within the series will be about a different topic. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and leave me comments, questions, anything that you guys would like to know. Please share it with me, and I will be happy to make a video about whatever it is. So please stay tuned.